Alright guys, we're gonna see if we can get any smallmouths out of here. Water's raging, it's cold, it's like 48 degrees, the wind's blowing, and it's cloudy. So we kind of got everything against us right now. But we'll see if there's any smallmouth in here. Right now I'm just throwing a half-ounce jerkbait by 6 cents, the 106X Provoke Ghost Pro Shad. I got it on 17-pound line so I could really snap it in the water. You can see I let the line go slack, then I pop it, makes that bait shoot. It only dives down about 3 feet. I'm not even sure if they're in here today or if they're in here yet. This isn't my usual setup for my jerkbait, or my usual rod I should say, but it'll work. If there's any in there, they'll get it. Water might be too cold for this, so we might slow it down with a jig with a tube or a little crayfish or something. I don't think the jerkbait is the key today. Oh, I got one. There it is. We did get one, guys. We did get a smallie. Just had to come downstream, I guess. I don't know what's going on there, but yeah. I don't have my pliers with me, so gotta be careful. Gotta be careful with these trebles. We got it out right there. Ghost Pro Shad, 6 cents. Not a big smallie, but river smallies are awesome. I love the red eyes. Cute little guy. Pretty much cast it upstream and pulled down with the current, and it's kind of chilling over here. So we'll get a little release. Here we go. First smallie. All right. So we got that one fish, that one smallie. We're gonna come up this way again, just see if that was the key. Maybe coming down, fishing down, real slow, and just a couple little pops. And we're gonna hit some rocks too, but whoa, I just had a big fish come wake on it right there. I don't know what that was, but it came up after it. See if you're still following it. Huh? Let's see. That was cool. Came up and waked. You guys probably didn't see it because of the way I'm standing here, but oh, I got him. Oh my God, what is that? Gotta get some drag. Ah, it's a smallie. So we did get a nice smallie waking on it. Try to get her up here without losing her. All right, this is actually a halfway decent one here, guys. There we go. Look at that, guys. Nice one. There we go. Smallie number 2. So we did have a little wake on it. A little bit bigger of a fish. Not a monster. I love the markings on it. I love the eyes. These river smallies, they really fight. It's not a bad one. Probably 1.5 pounds, a little bit bigger. All right. There's one. We got another one, guys. This one blasted it sideways. All right. Easy, easy, easy. So this one's got a couple of trebles. Okay. Here's smallie number 3. This one don't have the red eyes. I wonder what the difference is. But nice fat belly. Not a bad fish. Try down that way. There's one. We got one. Feels like a better one too. Oh, off that rock. Ah, it was just so strong. Nice. All right, let's get this guy off. Oh man, it's so mucky right here. Okay there, fella. All right, fish number 4. This has got some serious battle wounds on its head. It's been through some stuff. Call this guy Bruiser. Thanks for biting, Bruiser. You have some sharp teeth too. All right, I'll let you go, putty. Thank you. Let's see if these guys are pushed up further, because it is getting super shallow right here. So there's one. There's one. That's a better one too. Come on. Come on. Oh, what is that? Oh, that's a smallie. It's a weird, really brown one here. I don't want you to come off. Yeah, one hook. One hook. See if I can get you down here. It's a nice brown one right there. All right, we got her tired out. Let's get her down here where we can pull her up on the bank. Whoa, I almost died. There we go. That's a nice one right there. All right, look at this one, guys. This is a really nice smallie. Probably close to 18, maybe 18 and a quarter. Eating up good. I'd say probably a good 2 3/4 pound, I'd say. Get her back in the water. She put up a good fight. Again with the battle wounds here. All right, that was a good one. All right, we just got that big old monster right up here off this current. I think I was casting from over here. I'm gonna actually move up a little bit. If we get a big one, we should be able to pull it up these rocks. That one was only on one hook, so I didn't want to risk it. These river smallies are definitely fun. It's nice to. Oh, we got another one right there. Little guy. Wow, this one's fast. We'll be able to flip this guy up. I was just about to say, we got a little water runoff right here too, going right down. This one's beautiful. It's like a nice green. That other one was like a brown. This is like a nice green. These little guys, you got to watch out for though. They'll put a hook in you quick. go. Nice little bright bright green one. Super small, probably just born yesterday. Thank you, buddy. We'll do some casting up into there. And oh, watch out, bird. Almost took that little sparrow out, whatever he is. Kingfisher. We got a nice one off that rock. Oh my God, it's a big one. That's the biggest of the day right here, guys. That's a big smallie right there. She's eating some crayfish, man. She's got some lipstick on. Hope I get this one up the bank. This was the biggest by far. Kind of just dragging her up. Hopefully she gets up here. Oh yeah, this is the biggest. Wow, she has some crazy marks on her. She got hit by something. Something was trying to eat her. Oh, you got a big one, huh? I stuck you right near your eyeball. Good thing it didn't. Wow, you're barely hooked. Must have caught you there, and then that's a good fish. That's a long one too. Left my pliers down there. I gotta go down there and grab them, but I'm gonna give this one a quick weigh. I'm thinking right around 2.5 pounds. Good, I'd say 18 inch. Let's give it a quick weigh. See what it's at. All right, guys. So we're gonna zero. I know she ain't that big of a fish, but so right around probably 2.3. That's what I was thinking. It's a nice smallie. Had to give her away just to see where I'm at, but we'll take a 2-3. All right, there, fishy. Put you out there where it's deep. You're good. Cool. So this is what I'm using, this 6 cents 106X jerkbait, Ghost Pro shad. It's 3 trebles, like a 3-foot to 5-foot diver, I think, on 17-pound line. It's getting a little frayed. I'm gonna have to retie that soon. And in case you're all wondering what pole I'm using, because it's a river, and some of you guys do river fishing, you're just out there learning. It's a 7'4", moderate action. 13 fishing makes it. It's a Defy Black, and I got the Daewoo Tatula TWS 7.3 150 HS paired up with it, and it works pretty good with the jerk baits. All right, so we just got to wait on that bigger one. I think the brown one is probably a little bit bigger. What am I stuck it on? Get off of there. Feel my line here. Might have a couple more casts. I'm kind of risking it, but should really retie. I don't understand why I don't. Kick myself in the ass later when I get a big one that snaps off. Just throwing it right in there. It's kind of a slack water. Got that water rushing out of that plant. Probably some bait fish in there getting all swirled around. You got some fatties hanging out waiting. It's like a buffet for the fat girls. Oh, we just had another one come out and rock it. This one ain't that big. Probably flip this one up the bank. Maybe. Yeah, actually this one's almost just the same, almost the same size. Wow. Okay, calm down there, Red Eyes. All right, don't get a hook in me. All right, got that one out. That one's out. We're good. All right. So we got one of them nice red eyes. I love these. Look at that eyeball on that thing. It's like the universe in there or something. I'm sure you guys can see it. It's pretty amazing. Another smallie. I think this is like number 7. Oh, perfect. I give that a 10. Back down here. There's one. There's one. There's one. We got one. On the old jerkbait again. There we go. All right. So we got another one. Came back down here where we started. Actually got another one, so it's not a big guy. Well, it's been a while, so I was happy to get another fish. Get a release on it.